Okay, HCM, and let me connect to the SAP login pad. Okay, and I'll explain you how to log in the system and how to proceed further. Fine. Okay. So are you able to see my screen, guys?
No,
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 sir.
no,
no.
no, not at all.
Yeah, I have to. Yeah, I shared the screen. Are you able to see my screen now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Fine, guys. So this is your SAP login pad. Okay. This is your SAP login pad. Okay. And uh, when you will get the access of SAP, then you are going to get the access, same access, because this is your SAP login pad. Now you double click on this. Guys, can you mute your mic? Jennifer, can you mute your mic? Yeah. Guys, if you have background noise, then please mute your mic. Okay, so that your noise should not disturb others. Right. So once you will click on the SAP login pad, then here you will find SAP server. Okay. Now you double click on SAP server. So Jennifer, one question here. Are you able to find the SAP server?
Yes, sir. Yes, I'm already logged in.
Okay. Okay. Are you logged in through mobile or laptop?
I just logged in watching your video on mobile.
Ideally, you should log in through laptop. Okay.
Yeah, yes, sir. Yeah.
Yeah. This is the user ID and the password. Whatever password you will get from your institute, you can put it. And what is client 800? Client, this is client 800 means it's not customer ID. It is your server ID. You got my point? Client 800. It is not your customer ID. It is your what? Server ID. Okay. So, and I'll put now. The moment you will put user ID and password, you will find here SAP Easy Access. Okay. You'll find here SAP Easy Access. Now, okay, and SAP Easy Access is your end user screen. This is whose screen? End user screen. Generally, end user use this SAP Easy Access. Okay, so that they can, use SAP applications, right? So SAP, once you log in, then SAP Easy Access is your end user screen. Am I clear? Okay. So, I will, this meantime, I will also send you the definition for the same regarding SAP Access. Okay, you can check it in Skype and you can note it down. Okay, so let me send you the SAP Access definitions. Give me a moment, guys. I sent you to your Skype chat. You can check in your Skype chat. Okay. So when you log into SAP, then this SAP EGXS screen uh, appear, okay, and then you can go to your respective functionalities. Suppose I will go to Human Resource Management, then under Human Resource Management, I will find the HR functionalities. Check, okay, check all the HR functionalities, HR transaction codes, those things I will get it inside the HR human resource, right? So this is just like personal management, recruitment, then personal development, then time management, okay, then payroll, okay, then organizational management, uh, okay, and then training and event management. So all those things you will get it, all those things you will get it one by one. Okay, and these are the part of your HR functionalities, right? Now this entire SAP HR runs based on standard transaction codes. So write it out. The SAP transactions, SAP HCM transactions. Hope you have your paper and pen ready. So SAP HCM transactions handled through standard transaction code. Am I audible to everybody? Am I audible to everybody?
Yes, yes. Yes,
Sir, can you just come back with the point? It's handled to standard.
SAP transaction codes handled through standard transaction code. Okay.
Can you
Now,
once
whatever
again repeat?
the SAP functionalities, you can handle those functionalities based on standard transaction codes. Clear? Or you can write down SAP functionality, SAP HCM functionality handled based on, or SAP HCM functionality run based on standard transaction codes. Clear? Clear?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Yes.
Now, wherever you will find this, see, I'll open HR master data. Under HR master data, you will find PA30, PA40, PA20, PA10, PA70. What are those? These are nothing but these are your standard transaction codes. Okay, these are created by SAP. You are not going to create, or I am not going to create. It is already created by SAP, because as I told you that SAP is a ready-made product. You should know how to use this product and how to configure this product. You are not going to develop this product once again. Am I clear? Am I clear?
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
Good. Now, Sanjay, are you getting?
Yes, Raj. Mic is on mute, so that's why I unable to reply.
No problem. No problem. Fine. Okay. Now, info system. Info system stands for report. So all your standard reports are the part of info system. Write it down. User can use the info system. User can use the info system to generate the reports. Write down. User can use the info system to generate the reports. Okay. So info system is for what? Info system is for the reports. Am I clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Now, to another question. When you open SAP EG Access, then you will find a favorite, favorite folder. All right. What you can do? So in favorite folder, you can add your favorite transaction codes and favorite info systems. Again, I'm telling you, in favorite folder, you can add your favorite transaction codes and favorite info systems. Clear? Am I clear? So I suppose I'm using these two transaction codes: personal action and maintain HR master data. So what to do now? So in that case, what I'll do, I can add it in my favorite. So how to add? So what I'll do, I'll just select this transaction code, right click, add to favorite. Same way, select this transaction code PA30, right click, add to favorite. Am I clear? Are you finding?
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, same way, suppose I'm using this report employee list. So what to do? I want to add it in my fabric. So how to do it? Select this, right click, add to fabric. In this way, I can add the transaction codes and the reports. In this way, I can add the transaction code and the reports. Am I clear? Am I clear?
Yes, got it.
Yes.
Okay. Now, so now you know how to use this favorite. Okay. So coming to access. Now, if the transaction code is there, then the access is there, right? So there are 4 types of access with the end user or users. Write it down. Okay. Okay.
Raj, can you come again? End user.
Yeah. The end user has 4 type of access. End user has 4 type of access. Okay. Now, what are those access? First one is your create access. Write it down. First one is known as your create access. Okay. Second one is your change access. Third one is display access. Okay. And fourth one is delete access. You know, now you got it. Which are those access? So change access, then create access, change access, display access, and delete access.
Delete access.
Clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Guys, give me a moment. Huh? Now, these are the 4 types of access which are available for the user to maintain the data. Create access, change access, display access, and delete access. Did you write it down?
Yes, we wrote.
Okay.
Yes.
Fine. Now, coming to these are the modules. Okay. So, before we come to the modules, before we get into the modules, okay, now we should understand what is the
Raj,
Oh.
sorry to disturb you.
Yeah.
Your side, some noise it is coming. Sound it is coming. Can you check it from your end?
I don't have any noise.
No.
I even if I don't find any noise also. I don't know.
Others?
I don't know. I can maybe hear the vehicle sound. Is it your background? Vehicle sound and all?
No, no. My side, I am at home only. There is no noise.
Even if I don't
No
have.
noise. It is audible, Raj.
Okay. Fine. Now,
No. Okay.
So there are 3 servers in SAP environment. So when you are going to do the configuration, so what are the name of those 3 servers? Those 3 servers are known as your development server, quality server, and production server. Please write it down. Okay, development server, quality server, and production server. Here there are 3 servers. What are those? Development server, quality server, and production server. Clear? Write it down. Development server, quality server, production server. Okay. Development server. Who generally handle development server? Consultants. So consultant has the access, both functional consultant and technical consultant. They have the access in development server. Write it down. Both functional consultant and technical consultant has the access in development server. Okay.
And Raj sir, can you just come back with the point? Consultant and
Functional consultant and technical consultant has the access in development server. Clear? Clear?
yes, got it.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And quality server is for testing. Both quality server is for testing. Consultant and customer, they have the access in quality server to test the product. Right up. Quality server is for testing. Consultant and customer has the access in quality server to test the product. Clear? Am I clear? Write it
Yes.
out.
Yes,
Take
sir.
your time and write it down. No problem. Okay. Now,
So,
coming
Raj, for quality server, both functional and technical consultant, they have the access, both the consultant.
yes. Okay. Now, coming to this production server, only customer has the access in production server. Write it down. Customer has the access in production server. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, these servers are known as client. Write it down. The moment I will talk about client, you must be wondering regarding whether the client is customer or what. Right? Generally, the moment I will tell you client, okay, so you may directly link it to the customer, but here the client is not customer. Here the server is known as client. Here in SAP environment we call customer as customer and we call server as client. Am I clear? Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Raj.
Okay. Now coming to uh, every server has a 3-digit code. Write it down. Okay. So every server has 3-digit code. It may be alphabetical or numerical or alphanumerical. Okay, so alphabetical, numerical, or alphanumerical. Every server has a code. It may be alphabetical or numerical or alphanumerical. Am I clear?
Yes, Raj.
Yes, Raj.
Okay. Now, guys, give me a moment. Huh? Let me refresh SAP. It's a bit slow. Now, coming to this is all about your server. Okay. So there are three servers: development, quality, and production. Every server has a 3-digit code. It may be alphabetical, it may be numerical, it may be alphanumerical, and 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 uh, the servers are known as client. Okay. Coming to this server part is over. Now version. Write it down. What is the SAP version we are using? Write down. The current version of SAP is ECC 7. ECC 7. What is the current version of SAP? It is ECC 7. And the advanced version of SAP is SAP S4 HANA. Write it down. The advanced version of SAP is SAP S4 HANA. Okay.
Can you repeat? Advanced version is?
SAP S4 HANA. HANA. SAP S4 HANA.
Okay, thank you.
Clear?
Clear.
Now, are you clear regarding the versions? What is the current version and what is the upcoming version or the advanced version?
Yes, Raj.
Okay. Now, write down the stakeholders in SAP. The stakeholders in SAP. So the stakeholders in SAP. Who are the stakeholders in SAP? Okay. So write down the stakeholders are uh, consultant, then project manager, then end user. So these are the three major parties. First one is consultant, second one is project manager, and third one is end users. These are the three major parties in your SAP environment. Clear? Am I clear?
Yes, Raj. Yes.
Okay. Now, first you try to understand SAP based on. So first you try to understand SAP based on end user point of view. So understand the product based on what? End user point of view. Okay. After that, maybe we can discuss SAP based on based on consulting point of view. how to configure and all. But first you should understand SAP based on end user point of view. Am I clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So when as an end user I open the screen, I will find SAP EasyAccess. After that, as a as a end user, I can go to human resource management. Then these are the modules which are which are there in the system, like which are ready to use. Okay. So first, the first module is your personal management. Under personal management, you will find administration, personal administration. So this personal administration is nothing but how to maintain the. So the personal administration is nothing but how to maintain the employee master data and employee life cycle. So how to maintain employee master data and employee life cycle. So please write it down. Personal administration, under that write it down. Write down these two T codes, PA40 and PA30, including the descriptions. Then I will explain it.
Personal administration is how to maintain employee master data and
Check here, na? And personal action. How to maintain employee master data and personal action. Okay. Now, I will show you employee master data, because today my intention is to show you how to maintain HR, how to maintain all the HR related functionalities as an end user. Once you understand the product as an end user, then it will be very, very easy for you to understand the product, to configure the product as a consultant. Okay, now coming to SAP end user. Okay. So what we'll do, we will get into PA maintain PA30, maintain HR master data, double click. Suppose I'll take a personal number. I'll take a personal number, enter. I'll take a personal number, then enter. Check. This is the employee ID and this is the employee number. And wherever tick mark is there, this is the employee ID and this is the employee number. Wherever tick mark is there, then make sure that here the information is maintained. Wherever tick mark is there, make sure that here the information is maintained. Okay. So if you see here, address, personal data, organizational assignment, action, these are all what? These are all the different type of information, bank detail. These informations are maintained against this particular employee number. As I told you, that end user has 4 types of option to maintain the data. It may be create, change, display, and delete. So end user is going to maintain the data. What do you mean? What do you mean by end user is going to maintain the data? End user is going to maintain the data. So what? End user is going to create the data, or change the data, or display the data, or delete the data. Am I clear? Am I clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Coming to, so now bank detail. I want to show you. Suppose the bank detail is maintained. I want to show you the bank detail. So select bank detail. You have a display option here. Click on display option. Check. The bank detail is maintained for this person. Maybe you can maintain the bank key, bank account number and all. Okay. You want to change it, just change it. Then you want to put some bank key, put the drop down, put some bank key. Bank key is nothing but your IFSC code. Suppose I'll put some bank key like Bank of Baroda. Bank account number, some account number, sample account number. Payment method should be always T, transfer. T, I'm changing it and save it. You want to display, check it out. Are you clear? Are you clear?
Yes, Raj.
Yes, Raj.
Same way, if I want to create anything, okay, then I can select, suppose I want to create loan for a family member for this person. Select and you have an option to create. Click on create. The moment you create, then system will maybe ask you whose information you want to create, father, mother, spouse, children. Suppose father information. Click on father, check. The father's information also you can put it here. Same way mother's information. So user has the option to create. Am I clear? User has the option to create. Am I clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Option to display, user has the option to create, user has the option to change, and user has the option to delete. So user is going to maintain the data, means user is going to handle these options one by one. Clear? Now, next one is known as your personal action. Personal action is nothing but your employee life cycle. Personal action is nothing but your employee life cycle. Okay. Now, employee life cycle shows what? Employee life cycle shows, okay. What is employee life cycle? Employee life cycle shows starting from your employees hiring to till hiring, promotion, retirement, termination, transfer. So the entire employee life cycle in an organization is nothing but your personal action. Clear? Clear?
Yes, Raj.
Yes, Raj.
Good. Now, I can hire the employee. Okay. I can hire the employee. I can hire the employee. I can maybe promote the employee. Okay, I can hire the employee. I can promote the employee. I can maybe what transfer the employee. I can separate the employee. All those things are nothing but these are your what? These are your
Personal actions.
personal action through which you can track the employee life cycle. Clear? Am I clear?
Yes.
Yeah, it's clear.
Yes.
Just trying to show you, today how SAP generally looks like and how it works from an end user point of view. Slowly you will understand everything. Okay. Now, coming to info system. Info system shows what? Reports. As I told you, all the reports are standard in SAP. All the reports are standard in SAP. Okay. So all the reports are what? Standard in SAP. It may be, it may be what? It may be employee list or family member report or maybe employee education report, different address report, bank detail report, different reports are there. Now, I'll show you an example of a report and as an individual, how they are going to handle this report. Okay. As an individual, how they are going to handle this report. Now, coming to employee list. Okay. Double click on this transaction code. Double click on this transaction code, then suppose I want to take the report for current month. So select current month. Now, and I want to take the report based on personal area wise. Okay. So I want to take the report based on personal area wise. Then what is personal area? Personal area is nothing but a branches. Of course, it's a SAP terminology. It sounds it sounds new for you. Of course, going forward, you will be acquainted with this terminology. But yeah, what is personal area? Personal area is nothing but your what? It is your branches. A physical location. Suppose one company has 10 branches. Then we have to create 10 personal areas. Right? So I'll go to the drop down. Suppose I will take one personal area. Suppose I will take a personal area like Boston. I just want to know how many employees are there in my Boston personal area. So I'll take Boston. So based on and current month, time period as current month. So it shows how many employees are. It shows how many employees are there current as a head count. Okay, how many employees are there to as a head count for current month for Boston branch. Okay, and this 3400 is the code, just a code for Boston branch, nothing else. Now, based on this personal area and based on this time period, I can execute. See, there are 53 employees in Boston branch, right? This is the personal number, this is the personal ID, this is the name, and this is your job title, and this is the entry date. Entry date is nothing but your joining date. Am I clear? Am I clear?
Yes, Raj.
Yes, Raj.
Okay, now the point is, how you are going to extract it in Excel. Am I clear? How you are going to extract it in Excel. You have to extract it in Excel, right? So how you are going to extract it in Excel? Okay. So to extract it in Excel, what we will do, we will just right click on this report. Go to spreadsheet. Right click on this report. Go to spreadsheet. Format should be Excel. Enter. I want to store it in desktop. Store it in desktop. Save it. Check it out. Check it out. Okay. Now you can extract this report based on Excel. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the way you can generate the report in Excel. Okay. This is the way you can generate the report in Excel. Am I clear now? So how to maintain the data and how to generate the report. Okay. So what I'll do,
Yes.
yeah. So what I'll do, I'll just share you one document. Okay. Just go through this document. It's a very preliminary document regarding. This is a very preliminary document regarding SAP. Okay. So you just go through this document and uh, just try to understand SAP terminology, SAP screens and all. Okay, and make yourself comfortable, right? Also follow the video. So hope everybody got the SAP access, is it or not? It.
Yes, I got.
Got it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, we got
Then,
it.
yeah. Then, and after the class, the videos will be automatically published. So what you need to do, you need to download the video immediately to your personal folder, or else the videos will be archived maybe after 7 days. Even if you can't, I can't retrieve also. So immediately after the class, please download the videos so that you can follow the same videos going further. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Got it.
Okay. So yeah, I'm going to send this to your Skype chat. Okay, and you can send the right. Tomorrow I will take you through all the functionalities the way we discussed today, personal administration. The rest of all the HR functionalities tomorrow I will take you through one by one. Clear? So that you will get idea regarding all the HR functionality which are available in SAP HCM. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Good night, guys. Bye bye. Take care.
Nice. Nice.
Bye.
Bye.